Today is one day where we have seen a good historical movement in one of the budget days. The market have moved around 2500 in the bank nifty, and it is enormous. It is one of the day which is recorded as an historical day. See, I have made around what we say near to 8,000 of loss, but it is well in my bracket of loss margins. So I never care about whatever I'm not losing heavily. So it's fine for me. But what my problem is, I have missed the opportunity to get more profit. As you know, today is the budget day, and most of the brokers have given very limited margins for taking the trades because they want people to stop hitting their stop loss so easily and incur losses for themselves. So they have provided very less margins, and so that I was not able to take any adjustments what I have already taken the trades. So what was my view? As I said, my view is like already a pattern which is seen as a wedge pattern, and there will be a breakdown. But what I was expecting, like a market will be having a good downfall because the market is seeing 2 days weekends, and there will be a budget session. As there is a little negativity towards the policies, I thought even if one or two policies go against that, also we will have a very good downfall. But unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, the market have moved up, but the problem is people have shorted the call positions, and they have most of the people are in the downside if you are seeing the option chains. uh, so they all have incurred the loss, but finally the market is above all, and it was in profit around 2500 in a single day. That's a record breaking kind of points, I say. See here, what exactly happened here is, when I zoom into 5 minutes time frame, I have entered the position, and I entered through a strategy. I did not take naked positions because I know the market will be in very much volatile today, and so I wanted to play in defense. So I have shorted both put and call positions at the monies, which will make us to make a short straddle kind of strategy. That's what I have implemented. So until if you are seeing my trade positions, it is around 8,000. But the problem here is, like, if you are seeing the orders, I have closed it by 11 because my stop loss got hit, and the broker is not providing extra margins. That's the reason I have to exit the trade. But believe me, guys, if I was in the trade, a very good chance I missed actually. See, the trade what I have taken, PE short, if I am taking, because already we got to know that it's a breakout. There are two th things here. The market is moving throughout the first 45 minutes to 1 hour in sideways direction. It had given a breakout. So this will act quite support here. Uh, and the other thing, we have a, wedge pattern breakout. So anyhow, the market is expected moved more than expected. That's a different scenario. But still, we would have get a good profit. See, 620 rupees I have shorted. That portion I have made around 26,000 rupees, 27,000 rupees. But thing is that now what is the current premium of that portion is just 38 rupees. So nearly you are making 600 rupees premium in a day is like a very good one. But already because of my strategy which I followed, one went into 35,000 and loss, and the other one is in 27,000 profit. So altogether I made nearly 8,000 of loss. So leaving all these MTMs and profit and loss statements aside, so ultimately today is one of the day, I have to take the stop loss, and I have to go for the market. But what is tomorrow's scenario? See, there is a very wild movement. No one thinks about what's the next day. But the problem here is, will the market sustain in this higher positions? When the market, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji is giving a speech, everyone will be not analyzing that. By the time the market closes, the analyst comes into picture, and they will try to analyze the whole scenario of the budget. Today we have got an extraordinary bank nifty performance. All of the big stocks like HDFC, Reliance, everything got shorted up. So what is the scenario now? How much a normal, what may say, Aam Aadmi, like common citizen of India will strive? One of the most thing is like the prices of the diesel and the petrol is hiked for the cess near to 2.5 on petrol and 4% on diesel, 4 rupees on diesel, sorry. And this is going to impact each and individual because whatever the vehicles for used for transportation are mainly dependent on the fuel. And if those are going on high prices, definitely the like dependencies like vegetables or whatever the raw supplies or something will be definitely affecting to the whatever the normal man. And definitely I am thinking there will be a small sideways market, and I am thinking the market will fall because I think this is nonsense. The market why it is going up, like let's see. But still, anyhow, just check with the stop loss. Without stop loss, never do it. So, what's my plan for tomorrow? I will just wait for this pattern. See, it is nicely forming. Let me hope there is a breakout. Unless there is a breakout or proper price action, don't trade. Okay, happy trading, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and even let your friends know if anyone wanting to see more policies, strategies which we are discussing and want to indulge with us in the community. Hope everyone gets help on this. Meet you in the next video. Signing off, Vivek.